This is a video to highlight some questions in the Tier 4 General Visa application form, in which you might find difficult to answer. After you have downloaded your visa application, please print it out on a single-sided paper and check if it is the most up-to-date version. The date of the application can be found on the right side of the front page. For those who do not know how and where to download this form, you can find my previous video on how to do so. You have to read and complete each of the questions on this form. Remember, you can check help text and guidance for clarity. I will go through the important parts of the form now. Let's go to page number 3. Question 1. Tick yes to confirm that your sponsor is a highly trusted sponsor. Question 7 is regarding payment method. You can refer to help text page 5. If you are going to pay by check, it will take 5 days to have your check being processed. You need to make sure that you have enough money in your account to cover the payment. If you are paying by credit card, the payment will be clear immediately. However, you must contact your bank to ensure this large transaction can be made in advance. I will skip the personal details in the following section, as they are self-explanatory. Next, let's go to page 12. This page is regarding your UKBA reference numbers. Question 1. Your UKBA reference number can be found in any correspondence letter from the UKBA when you received your previous visa. Next, let's go to page 16. Question 5 and question 6. You are asked to provide your other address you have lived in the UK within the last 5 years. If you have lived in more than one previous other address, then you can photocopy this page and fill in that address. Next, let's go to page 18. This page is regarding your personal history. Question 1. You must disclose any criminal offense. You must include road traffic offenses, but not fixed penalty notices, such as speeding or parking tickets. Question 7 is regarding civil judgment. You must disclose any civil judgment against you, any relevant matters which were pursued against you in court. Next, let's go to page 21. This section is about your immigration history. Question 1. The first option. I have leave to enter or remain for a limited period. The word leave here means permission. This is the most likely scenario for all the visa applicants. Check help text page 10 and guidance page 15 particularly. You can find out information about whether you can switch your visa to the student category. Question 4. Were you required to register with the police as a condition of your previous leave? Again, this information is on help text page 10, where you can find out people from a list of countries who must register with the police. If you must register with the police, you need to ensure that you have updated the police in respect of your situation, such as change of address, new passport number, or new visa. Next, let's go to page 23. I want to highlight question 22. Do you currently have any other applications with the UK Border Agency on which you are awaiting a decision? You can see help text page 11. And if your answer is yes, and you are not sure if you can submit this application and its impact on your other applications, you may consult a lawyer. Next, let's go to page 24. This page is regarding public funds. If you are already a student, you are exempted from paying council tax. This does not count as public funds. So question 1, have you ever claimed any public funds? Tick no, unless you are claiming any other benefits according to the list. Next, let's go to page 27. This page is regarding your course. Question 12. Tick at or above NQF level 6 if you are admitted to study at the university. You can also check guidance or website for reference. Question 14. You can check help text P16 and guidance page 92 to 97. Question 15. Can you speak English to the required standard? Tick yes. Page 28 is regarding maintenance. Question 1. The amount of your fee should be as stated on your CAS. And question 3. If you are going to submit your receipt for payments as evidence of your course fee, you need to enclose it in your application form. Let's go to page 35. This is your declaration. Please ensure that you have signed and dated this form. Finally, this is a summary sheet. Please fill in the information in the summary sheet, as this is part of your application, and you can list any items that have not been mentioned in Part 8 in Part B. And please note, this application is for applicants wishing to make a student visa application form within the UK. If you are applying from outside the UK, you must submit VAF 9 and Appendix 8.